Welcome back. Today, I hope to finish up the waterer and get it to work from the pigs. Crunch time. We're like 48 hours away from pigs, and water and feed are more important than roof. Roof will come, but to be honest, I gotta get the water working because the most important thing pigs need are pretty much water and air and feed. It's time to get the waterer all hooked up. I got the one extra piece that I mentioned in this video up here somewhere. We're gonna get that all hooked up and mounted and secured and then move on to feeder. All hooked up. Oh, you can't see anything. There you go. 90 degree to garden hose, to another garden hose spigot, to the T, off there to one pig, off there to another set of pigs. That's looking good. The ultimate question is, will it leak? We're gonna hook it up before we mount it and see what it looks like. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gave me the wrong kind. Come on. Oh, I just realized. That's wrong. Damn it. This is what happens when the plumbing store messes up and I have to go out to fix their problem. We go and get ice cream. Yay! We got the part we needed. We fixed it. Yep, another $5.30. So gave me the wrong part. So we fixed it with a different part. Without having to take everything apart, we're just adding another part, if that all makes sense. I'll show you what I mean after ice cream. I know two people that are happy the plumbing place messed up, right? Yep, okay, bye-bye. I gotta get back to work. See ya. Okay, so you've seen my rig before, right? The water's gonna come in here, it's gonna go up there, it's gonna split, it's gonna feed the pigs. No disrespect to anybody, I love you all. Do your thing. In the plumbing world, male doesn't work. For example, there's the end of that. Here's the end, whoa, the end of my garden hose. That doesn't work. So I had to go get a female connector to go in the middle. So all you ladies watching, you're probably thinking, see, ladies can make everything work. The females are always right. That's it. That's gonna make it work. Female. Gotta tighten that up and test it. This will also make it, which is kinda accidental, very easy to disconnect in the winter. It's the moment of truth. We're gonna go turn the water on way down here and see if this works. It's about 100 feet. It's a 100-foot hose and there's plenty of slack, so it's more like 90 feet. We're gonna try to push the hose into the woods, less to run over with the lawnmower. But here we go. It's that time. I have a leak. Damn it. No leaks anywhere else though. Only in the new spot. Okay, we could fix that. Ah, and another one there. Damn. Ah, and one there too. Leaking in both spots. Oh shoot. Where's that coming out of? Let's relieve some pressure first. And then see. Damn. That's a lot of leakiness. After cranking it down in a couple different spots where it was loose and leaking, I think we are good. Trying to mount it here so it doesn't wiggle around. Okay. And then this way, if we have to, we can unscrew the whole thing, raise it up, and go back in. If the pigs are too tall and this is too low, I don't know yet. I'm just kind of guessing off of a lot of videos I've watched. There we go. Now we're in. We're in. It's not moving. We can open that one up. We hook up our hose, spray them down. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna go turn it off because pigs aren't here yet. But you are going to subscribe and follow. I don't even know if you can see me. Oh my goodness. All right, see you later. Bye. Oh my goodness. I hate plumbing. I really do.